joking. Though life is very funny and full of enjoyment. See, we have today this party, picnic. We all have dressed up here. Sonic said, "Can I sip some Mula?" Thank you so much. And it was really nice coordination with us. Like we prepared this. It's called rosh. It's Afghan rosh. This is very famous in Afghanistan. It's very tasty. Once you taste it, you won't forget the taste ever in your life. And you would desire to want it every time you see this. And we have a good expert chef. He trained us, he did everything. And we all together, but he was the leader. He was on the lead and we were just only followers. So, Aman, you want to say something about today's party?
So, first of all, thank you so much. And yeah, we are not really experts, but just we learn here that how to cook because we need to cook. We don't have the family here. However, it's something
it's like compulsory.
Yeah, and yeah, we hope that you will like it.
Yeah. We will eat. We will share the review of the test. Definitely, they will test once everywhere. You can see it. We can share the process if you wanted to cook it. It's an easy process. You need to just have. I think you have to put oil first. Then you have to put the meat. And after that, you can put the tomatoes, pepper, everything mixed. It's very simple. And just within 30 minutes, I think in pressure cooker, it takes pressure cooker 30 minutes to be prepared. And after 30 minutes, you will have a ready mat, very tasty rosh.
It's very easy. We started from 7 o'clock in the morning. Now it is 1 o'clock. It's very easy. No problem. In 30 minutes, you can prepare it. Just in 30 minutes. And we started from 7 o'clock.
No, see, we started from 7 o'clock because we were buying vegetables, these things, yeah? We don't have it, so you need to go and buy it. But we have a big party. This dish is prepared almost for 25 people, I think. It's 25, it's not only one. If you're alone, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes you can prepare it.
Pare mere sar bukh ki de
ये बुस्टन तराजे अप्लाई करिए तो वो रिडक्शन लेवल्स है कि कल हम बुस्टन तराजे अप्लाई कवई अखले बखले बरसली पूर की गोरा कछु का एमसी में स्कॉलरशिप के राजी वाली स्कॉलरशिप बन रहा है गोरा बखले लेवल्स है कि जो हम बेलारी दिखल को दिशा बस है गोरा बखले जैसे ना गोरा दस है थोड़े मुश्किल से यूज करते हैं माशाल्लाह बखले रोज पकाओ करा पलाव पकाओ पलाव पकाओ وقدم دام ترى تسمع في أفريقيان نيجيريان US Americans هذه وش دي طول تما أفغاني دوري ولا سوالي ده أو طول فكشة ده روش ولا طول بس قربان دي دوم فكشة لو تعرفوا ناس يقولوا ده هذيك اللي بروجرام كبار قناة الدبان دروس اللي بدي كاسيني اللي كنا ما أنا ما بدي كاسيني ليش ليه بخلاء وكذا بدي كاسيني مسوي so you have to learn this. How do you wash the dishes? You know, you have to have this skill as well. Because if you don't know how to wash it, still it's a problem. It's a skill. Learn it, bro. Learn it. These are skills you have to uplift. You have to have more skills to do different activities here. So I think actually going and having winning scholarship is not actually just getting education. Beyond that, you can learn a lot of other skills. You can acquire, you can earn more other skills. You can receive it. So through just staying here, not only cooking, but also washing dishes. Laundry sometimes. You know, it's a fun fact. It's very amazing when you're just washing your clothes. Because it's also a new skill that you don't know at home, but you learn it. You must do it here.
Good man.
You like it?
Yes, bro.
Thank you.
MashaAllah.
I'm just helping my brothers here distributing the food now. It's very delicious. Let's see. Yeah. Come on. Wow. They're just saying how much should we put, and we have guests are increasing because it's very tasty. The guests are increasing now. See. You think about who to give what. Bashir Jan is busy now helping and supporting our Afghan brothers, and he's distributing, putting some rosh on the plates, and you can see Hafizullah Oriya here. And he's asking, put more, because Oriya likes eating oil. I think. Do you like oily, Oriya?
Someone doesn't like the meat, only the
Wow, special orders. We have some special orders too in the program today. Nice. See the dome life. This is the dome life. You have fun. Everyone is busy, engaging. They're working together. They're helping. See, my brother is helping them with the sauce. It's chutney. We can call this chutney in our language. It's very tasty. It's a mix of pepper and yogurt and different spices. Finally started our program. See, Bashijan is helping and distributing the plates down. Very good, very good. Wow, it's rosh. So tasty. Everyone is busy on cell phone, but Oriyasef is too much busy. You can see that. Wow. How's it, Bashir? Smells so tasty. Here on the top we have Rahimi. He's going to tell you something about the program today.
Should I talk now or maybe
Yeah, you can talk now. It's just a normal.
Could you please buy me some time so I can have my food first?
Why not? You want to say something? Sanak said. You like it? And I think it's your third time or fourth time because it was so delicious, yeah?
Yeah, my favorite.
You enjoyed really nice. Thank you.
It's very delicious.
Thank you. We had guests today, so we are so happy. Whenever we have guests, we become double happy. So now we are happy because of our brother. Thank you, bro. Thank you. We wish to have more guests in our programs next time. Yeah? Yeah. See the taste, it's very tasty and very lovely. This is Afghan borscht. Now we always just talk and eat it together like this in Afghanistan. So it's our like together mixed culture. We always like to eat together like in this table. We have usually the other things sofra, but now this is our Afghan bread. It's very famous. Yeah, it's very soft. So you can enjoy this as well with this rosh like this. See, it becomes so tasty here. Let me have this. Wow. So now it's time to share something about this is our rosh here. Usually we have it it's rosh and you see the different mix. We have meat here, potatoes, pepper, everything we put here in pressure cooker and we just make this rosh. It's very tasty. And usually in our Afghanistan, the culture is like we have to eat together, all and everyone in the family. We just live together. It's a joint family. It's not a separate family. That's why we have to sit together like this. So we enjoy. Hope you enjoy it later. Thank you. Try to taste everywhere you are rosh. It's very famous in Afghanistan. You can enjoy it. 1 second.